Now this is the cold start rattle on my Honda Pilot. Happens every morning when it's cold and then goes away after several minutes. I'm going to try remove the tensioner. So it has two bolts in there, 10 mm, and yeah, you don't need to remove the cover or the crankshaft to take it out. Yep, this is the quickest way to replace the tensioner, the timing belt tensioner. And then what I have in me is my new Eisen tensioner. Yep. And then I have this holder of 27 mm and then an extension for leverage. So I'm gonna use this one to hold it. Yep. I'm gonna use this to hold this one while I'm taking out the tensioner. One of the upper bolt out, and no movement yet on the tensioner, so I'm gonna take out the lower one. So basically what happens is it will like spring out. Yeah, it will spring out, and then yeah, I think this is leaking. Yeah, that's why it's bad, and I think it's there's no brand name on this one. 6A. Oh yeah, definitely I need to replace the whole timing kit for this timing components, the belt, because these are like unknown brands. Old and new tensioner. This one has the Eisen brand, this one doesn't have any. And if you look down here, and this one's very clean, and this one is leaky. Our bolt is tightened up. You cannot put a torque wrench in there, but I just like make it like tight, good and tight. So we're gonna start. Definitely quieter now. Yep, no more rattles. Do a cold start test on my new tensioner. Temperature right now is 58. And yep, big difference. I don't hear any rattle sound first thing in the morning. Yep, that's a nice sound. Fans off. That's a nice sounding engine.